In the next video, we're going to create this, but I'm going to make a mistake and not realize it until after the fact during the movie. And I feel like it creates some confusion. So let me just change this blend mode on this uppermost layer to normal. Notice how the blur is heading vertically. We're not going to create a vertical path blur. We're going to create a horizontal path blur and then rotate. If I hide this, this is the layer I was supposed to rotate. I rotated this one on accident. And if I rotate image rotation, and rotate this 90 degrees, it takes a second because it has to unrender the smart filter. But then you get the vertical. And I was on this layer and accidentally rotated a different one. So just know, I'm going to hit Command Z to undo that. Just know that you need to do horizontal blurs both times, but then you're going to rotate after the fact. That's a trick that you need to learn, you need to apply. So roll with it in the next video, and you too can arrive at this. And who knows what's hiding in the rest of these blend modes. I'll let you discover that.